area. You can see the setup right now. We're kind of looking, just being patient, waiting for this to pull back. And then we kind of look, we got that pivot point up there, 16,000s. That would be kind of a good target, I think. Both the ES, the Nasdaq, both kind of setting up here, looking bullish. The dollar trying to sell here. So we should try to get this push up. Watching kind of that 70 level to see how we react. Put in this higher low here and then continue that move up there to that pivot at the 16,000s. We bounced right off the VWAP area there at open. Very bullish move here. We broke out of the 15-minute bull flag. Think we can get one more leg up here. One more leg up through the 16,000s, up there through the 70s next. So that's what we're looking for. Dollar selling. Nasdaq trying to push. On the 1 minute chart right now, we're looking to see if we can start to push. We get through this wick on this candle right here, wicky wick. Need to get through that wick, and then we should be off to the races. The high so far, 82, in that 16,000 area up there next, my friends. The guy who's shorted at open is definitely crying right now. I just don't think there was any reason to be short this morning. That's the next poll. How many people shorted today? I don't think many people shorted. If you shorted today, you're a little crazy. A little crazy there, people. Don't be crazy. I'm waiting to see if we can get back up there above the 70s strong, and then looking to get long here. Jay's been shorting all morning. Ouch. Just don't know why. Why short this morning? There was nothing. There was nothing shortable this morning. Don't go shorting big old boner candles, my friends. When the market wants to go up, the market's gonna go up. Jay made $3,000 from the 920s. Let's go. Jay's our man. If Jay can't do it, no one can. Nice little consolidation pulling back here. This is exactly what we want to see happening. We got this pivot point down there at the 50s. What told you to go long? Was it just the chat meter? I don't think people only take trades now based on the chat. I only take trades based solely off of the chat meter. The ES is holding up. The Nasdaq's holding up here. Will we get some more push? We get through that 70 level. We should try to go here. Down there into the 50s, 54s. Just want to see us get through basically this 72s and then up there through the highs. We don't want to get denied at the highs, by the way. If we trap up here at the highs again, we want to be careful of that. So dollar's selling straight down. Nasdaq's pulling back here into the 50s. There's 10 a.m. news this morning. Right now we're holding that pivot point level, 50 area, so we'll see what happens here. The dollar is literally just going straight down here. The dollar is absolutely, like, look at this right now, the dollar. Dollar has just been down, 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 down since open, so if the dollar sells through this low, the Nasdaq should try to get that move up through the highs, but need to kind of get through this low down there on the dollar. All right, we're here at our level now, this pivot point. Let's see how we react to the pivot there. I want to see a nice bounce there. The ES pulling back to the overnight high area. Yeah, 34s. We basically want to see us flip this candle here, that wick. We want a body to go right back up here. Flip that wick there. Flip the wick. Flick it. Flip it. Which is doing right now. Let's see if we can flip it. Flipping it. We're flipping. Go. We're flipping. Nice little reversal there off the pivot. Now we can go through the 70s here. Let you go. 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 All right, we really need to start squeezing here through the 70s. Get that break through the 70s, and then we can have momentum. Go, go, go. So we don't want to get stuck here again. We want to go, go, go through the 70s on this move up. If you guys haven't hit that like button, help me blow it up. Like it, like it, like it. Go, go. A little bit of trouble there right below the 70s again. The high on that candle was 67. Need to get through the 70s strong. Watching the ES over here as well. The ES having some trouble right now. Need that ES above the 35s there. So go, go. Let's go through the 70s strong right here, right now. Beautiful. Let's go. Dollar looking like it just going straight absolutely down. I love the dollar going straight down here. The ES just reversed up nicely. The Nasdaq's trying to push up here nicely. It's all looking real good, boys and girls. I am long, by the way. Looking for this push through the 80s now. All right, all right. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot, boys. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Let's go all the way through the highs here now. Need that ES through the highs. Moving my stop here. Break even. Can't lose. I got an average of 62 there. Need to push through here. I want to get right through this 80 level. I don't want to get stuck there. Don't want to double top 80s. We want to go, go, go through the 80s there. Time. Looking real good, boys. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Are you kidding me? If you're not making money with Patrick Wieland, get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. Got no time for this bullshit. How can one man be so good looking and also so fucking good at this game? If they told you to short this morning, go ahead and never watch them again, people. If your fucking guru told you to get short this morning, you gotta get out of there. Run away. Run, run, run. Run, run, run. Let's go. Patrick. 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 My guru told me that I was supposed to short. My guru told me. I'm watching somebody else on YouTube, and they were talking about getting short, and you said, and I don't know what to do, Patrick. It's not fair. But Patrick, get the fuck out of here. Let's fucking go. We're up over $5,000. Mega fucking money Mondays. I told everybody in the chat, let's fucking do it. We're making fucking money. I love this fucking shit. I fucking love it, boys. I fucking live for this shit. I fucking love this shit. I love it. I fucking love it. I fucking love this shit. There's a reason. There's a reason I'm the #1 day trader on YouTube, because I'm actually doing it. I'm doing it, boys. I'm doing it. Oh. Oh. Oh, God. I'm doing it with you. I'm doing it. Taking the profits this morning. This is in my live, Topstep live funded account. I'm locking in $5,000 there in profit. Like I said, we needed to go right through those highs or I was going to be taking profit. And there we go. $5,000 on the day. $5,000 on the day. Who's doing it like this? Nobody. 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 Let's go. I'm happy with that. I'll take that. I have a goal right now in my Topstep Live account. I'm really, if I make $5,000 in that account right now, I kind of just I trade my XFAs after that. So now I'm going to switch over to the XFAs. I mean, name another fucking day trader on YouTube who's sitting fucking on the field at the Miami Dolphins game, sitting courtside at the Orlando Magic game, sitting fucking in the fucking VIP at EDC. Who's got the best mode? Who looks this good? Who's going for the runs of the morning? Ain't nobody doing it like this, fam. Ain't nobody. Ain't nobody. They all want to be me. Remember that. They all hate me because they want to be me. They hate us because they ain't us. They hate us because they ain't us. Tori's uncle ain't fucking real, by the way. Tori's uncle is fucking fake. Just like Tory Trades is fucking fake. Have you ever wondered why? Hey, think about it like this. There's all these fucking genius traders on the internet